Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a more efficient and customizable way to take care of your oral health? Well, today I'm introducing a product that promises to revolutionize your routine, the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick. This cordless, portable oral irrigator offers 4 powerful modes and a slew of features designed to give you cleaner, healthier gums with minimal effort. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about all our latest reviews. The Nicwell Water Dental Flosser isn't just any flosser. It's equipped with cutting-edge 0.3mm ultra-fine double-thread water pulse technology, delivering a cleaning experience that's deeper and safer than traditional flossing. With water pressure pulses ranging from 1,400 to 1,800 times per minute, it's designed to effectively remove plaque, enhance gum health, and keep your breath fresh and clean. Plus, it's recommended by professional dentists for its precision and power. Now let's dive into the real-world experience of using this flosser. First off, incorporating it into my routine was seamless. Its sleek, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and the water tank holds just the right amount of water for a full rinse. The added benefit? The Nicwell is waterproof with an IPX7 rating, so it's perfect for use in the shower. I loved how easy it was to switch between the 4 upgraded modes. With 11 adjustable intensity levels, you can truly customize your clean, whether you're sensitive or need a more intense cleaning. The memory function is another thoughtful touch. It remembers your last settings, ensuring consistency in every use. I've been using this flosser for a few weeks now, and here's what I found. It's powerful yet gentle. The classic tips are great for daily cleaning, and the tongue scraper is a game changer for keeping breath fresh. But what really impressed me was the orthodontic tip. For anyone with braces or tight spots, this attachment is a lifesaver. It easily gets in between my teeth, leaving no spot behind. Of course, there are a few things to consider. While it's easy to use, the water tank could be a bit larger for those who need a bit more water for multiple uses, but it's nothing that's a deal breaker. Also, if you're not used to using water flossers, there might be a small learning curve in terms of water control. However, once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly efficient. As for the price, considering its powerful features, long battery life, and versatility, the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser offers solid value. Its 30-day battery life is twice the endurance of most other models, making it perfect for travel without constantly worrying about recharging. The multiple nozzle attachments also increase its utility, allowing it to meet different needs beyond just regular flossing. When comparing this to other water flossers, the Nicwell stands out for its long battery life and customizable modes. There are other flossers on the market that offer similar functionality, but the convenience, design, and added features of this one make it a top contender. Now, let's talk durability and longevity. The Nicwell Water Dental Flosser feels well built, and its IPX7 waterproofing makes it a great companion for anyone who likes to multitask, using it in the shower or on the go. The quality is apparent, and with the long-lasting battery, it's clear that this flosser is designed for the long haul. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to grab one, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I've found Nicwell to have a solid reputation for being responsive, and although I haven't had to reach out for any issues, I've read positive reviews about their helpfulness when needed. If you're not fully sold on this one, there are other options available that might suit your needs, depending on your budget. However, for the price and features, this one holds up as a top-tier choice in my opinion. To sum it all up, the Nicwell Water Dental Flosser is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene. It's effective, easy to use, and durable, with the added bonus of being perfect for travel. If you're someone who wants a more thorough and customizable clean without the hassle, this product is definitely worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.